Firstly, welcoming everyone on the Zoom. Thank you so much for the short notice for attending this brief interaction with our new partnership agreement that we have just signed up with Stuttgart Messe International. As you all know that we at IMTMA have been holding IMTEX forming and IMTEX metal cutting for many years, and IMTEX forming is one particular topic that is of interest to all of us here in this room. As we see, the forming segment in India is leveraging and growing at a good speed. Likewise, Stuttgart Messe International, one of the prominent German messes, are also organizing machine tools and metalworking shows such as AMV, and also on metal forming. WELDEXPO is a well-known show at their venue. We at IMTMA and Stuttgart Messe felt that we should come together and expand the scope of metal forming business in India. And metal forming, as you all know, it involves molding, it involves fasteners, it involves many other segments. So we feel a great synergy that we have come together to grow this IMTEX forming January 2024 by launching two new topics. One is on molding, and the other one is on fastener technology. And Messe Stuttgart is bringing their shows here in India for the first time at this venue by doing MOLDEX India and FASTNEX India. So with that introduction, I would leave the forum open. Any words that Mr. Bernard would like to address to the press, you can go ahead and do this. And then we will leave the audience to ask for any particular question if they feel so.
Okay, first of all, welcome also from my side. I'm Bernard, Vice President of Messe Stuttgart Group, one of the big German messes. We are not also exhibition organizer, we also operate the most modern venue exhibition center in Germany, in Southwest Germany, in Stuttgart. First of all, I feel very honored and very proud to sign today the cooperation with IMTMA and our colleagues and friends from Bangalore. We see in this cooperation very, very big future and a very big potential, because we are, and the same, we are organizers of metal working, metal forming and related topics, both of us. We both are venue operators, and we both see the need to internationalize our events. And India is becoming more and more a very important market for our shows in Germany, exhibitor-wise and buyers from the buyer side. And Germany for sure is also very interested to invest in India and to grow the Indian market. And so this is a logical step to sign this cooperation with our partner here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bernard. If you want to add.
Nothing much, I think it has been spoken. I would just like to say that the market is upbeat. In the machine tool itself, India's consumption is record high, which we observed last year, and it's growing. Also, the production as well as the import is also high. So I think this is the right time, as Gordon just mentioned, for the world to look into India, and also for India to look towards the world in terms of doing collaborations to become more competitive in the world market. And with that kind of an intention and objective, we thought that we would do a joint venture with renowned organizations like Stuttgart Messe to do collaborative projects. And with that, we are signing MOU today, and going forward, I feel this will bring a lot of value not only to Germany but also to India. Thank you.
Thanks. Sachin, would you like to add something?
Just one thing, for us as we expand our footprint now in India, for us it would not have been a better opportunity to join hands with IMTMA. I think we already have a good beginning with this MOU, and we are looking forward for more collaboration, for more things, with more events, and to foster this relationship or to forge this relationship even further in the next years to come. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Before I could open up for the attendees to ask anything to our guests here, IMTEX 2024 is going to be in all forms of collaborative approach, because even before this, we added the welding part, as you all know. So WELDEXPO is also a co-located show along with IMTEX FORMING. So at IMTMA, we are very clear that with forming, we want to expand the scope of the manufacturing opportunities to everyone who visits our IMTEX FORMING. So you will see welding, now you will also see molding, you will see FASTNEX, we have Tooltech and digital manufacturing alongside. So this IMTEX Forming 2024 in all fronts is going to be a forward-looking exhibition.